Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can search for CapCut templates on Google. So not only you can find the templates on the CapCut apps, you can also find it on Google, and here's how to do it. So first, open your Google Chrome and then just click on the search column and type in CapCut templates trending, for example. Then after that, a few options will appear. You can just click on the first ones that show up in the page, and here you'll be provided by the CapCut templates that you can choose and also use. For example, I want to use this one, so just click on the video. Then after that, you'll be directed to the CapCut apps. You can just click on the use template and you can just add your clips to the templates, or you can also, I'm going to go back. Okay, so here, oops, you can also find it in the short videos, in TikTok short videos. It's usually linked into CapCut templates, so when you click on the one of the video, it will be open in TikTok. Okay, so you can just click on the CapCut try this template, this buttons right here, just click on that and click on use template in CapCut. Then it will be open in CapCut, and like the one before, you can just click on use template and add your photos or videos. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.